Okay. Right, can everyone hear me? Right, sorry about that. Okay. Happy Monday, everyone. So, 4 hour just closed bullish on GJ. Let's have a look at the daily. Yeah, so looks like we're heading back up on the daily. So daily's bullish, so is the 4 hour close. Believe the 1 hour also close really bullish. Yeah. So right now we're coming to some resistance on the left at around 135 here. So once we clear that area, we should be heading back up. If we look at the 4 hour, because it's a bit cleaner, there shouldn't be much issues for GJ hitting 135.300 and then 135.600. So right now we're just waiting for the retest of the 135 area before we take it long. Recent session price gap up 134.600. Okay, price came down, retest, failed, went back in, break, and pre-London possible continuation move towards the day high at 134.870. Yeah, I think it broke it. 870, okay. Wow, nice catch. Oh, Ribeiro, did you go down onto the 15 to catch like the longs? I think we've been able to catch this support here. Oh, you didn't take it. Okay, okay. Yeah, were you afraid that it would reject and then bounce back, Ribeiro? That's why I didn't take it. It's okay, you still have another chance. So right now GJ is retracing on the 15. TP got in at 134.811, still holding. Wow, nice. Still holding 135.5 shouldn't be a problem. Yep, we are already on the way there. Nice, nice. Took buy when broke 30-minute highs. Stops below 30-minute candle. $134,800. I took it here. Alright. Yeah, I think your trade management here was really good, because at 135, right, you would have some issues because on the left of the 30-minute chart, and even the 1 hour, right, this area was previous support, so it's good that you put your trade at break even and you secured some young boy brown. Yeah, I moved to another room, so my stuff looks a bit weird now. How do you master this weeks? I'm having trouble leaving a runner. Just secure some, take some profits, keep them first, and then start with like a 10% runner. You don't have to leave a 50% runner if it makes you anxious. Start with 10. That's better than nothing, right? Then as you get more comfortable, move up. So let me just do a quick analysis of GU as well. So this was the daily support that was formed. GJ has been respecting the 127 level for the past week. So closing bullish all the way, broke the previous daily highs, so broke 4-hour resistance as well at 277,800. So I'll be looking for GJ to retest 29, 1.29, the next level, based on the 4-hour. And then after that, 29, possibly the 1.3 level. So GU looks good as well to head up. So let's have a look at EJ. Oh, EJ is still hovering at the daily support at 122,600 to me. Previous daily broke below this support on EJ, but then it's not clearing the wicks, so this area is problematic for EJ. So let's have a look at the 4-hour. Yeah, so this is the most recent 4-hour low. If we break below that, then possibly looking to come down to about 122. on EJ. So EJ is shock bias for today if we break below 122,400. Based on the current price action on G, J and GU, if we want to catch the current move from the start, we can only take the breakout trade. Right magic, I think it depends what time you start trading. So if you trade the London Open, which was at 3, yeah, this was the breakout candle, and then the retest. Should have given you a nice retest here on the 15th for you to take the entry long. That was at London Open. UJ broke below previous daily support to make a new low, new support at 105,500 potentially. So right now daily close bullish, looking possibly to head up to this area. Right now we're at 636 on the 4-hour chart. So guys, I'm only doing this because now there's no trade, but please send a chart because I don't normally trade this pairs, right? So I see resistance at 636, or if we want to clean it up, tighten up the zones a bit, then it's 600. Yeah, so if it breaks above 105,600, then we should be heading to around 106 first, and then followed by 106,200. I know UJ respects like these whole numbers quite a bit as psychological levels, so if not, then we'll just come back down to this area here at around 105. Right, this is what I see on UJ. Possibly trading in a minor range if we go down to the 1 hour. This area, UJ needs to break below 105,300 before you can continue down for this move to 105. Yeah, M. Hassan, no need to shout. I can read your chat. Do you guys trade German 30? No, I only trade these things over here on the right side. M. Fundo. Let's have a look at EU. EU broke this daily support at 1.17. So I'm possibly looking for it to come down to this area at 1.14, but that's a very big range. So let's zoom into the 4 hours, see what's happening. So on this area to the left at 116, for the next 4 hour zone that we're coming to, previous resistance turn support. So this area is quite strong. If you look at the left, right, look at how many days, look at how long it held support for. So 116 is a strong level that you want to be careful as you are nearing. So right now for GJ, right, if you look left, this whole area was problematic for GJ before. So when we are approaching the area, you just want to be a bit more careful. So for those of you that are already in longs, please manage your trade. KM Hassan, I need you to send a chart. I already analyzed 2 pairs for you, man. Come on, send a chart. I did. Yeah, I looked at GU for you. Yeah, your turn, send the chart. Because if you want to learn, then just send a chart. I can give you some feedback on it, right? EG is just falling. Yeah, so I don't really trade gold. That's why I don't call any entries on it. I just read the structure. So structurally, from what I'm seeing, based on the daily and the, let's have a look at the monthly since we're at the end. So monthly starting to break below the previous monthly lows, right, on gold. If you can see this wick over here, gold is trying to break. Then let's zoom in onto the weekly. Previous week's candle closed really slightly below the previous lower wick. So if we look at the 4-hour, sorry, if we look at the daily, this area here, these clean candles on the left right now, but I potentially, as we come towards these wicks over here, then yes, you're probably going to see some issues at around 1812. But this looks like a huge range down. If we look at the 1 hour, 1 hour is holding support now at this wick lows at 1851. So I guess if you break that, it should be coming down. But again, I don't trade gold, so this is just what I'm reading from structure. Proti, I'm in GJ buy, but like explain, I am managing your trades tightly. Yeah, I don't know. I can't give you feedback on your management if you don't send a chart. So if you need feedback like that, just send in your chart. Happy to do so. Wow, GJ is just going. Yeah, Andre, GJ doesn't give two hoots about us. I would wait for some kind of minor support to form here, since this level is the next level that GJ should be stopping, right? But if it's not stopping, you need to probably, it means that the bullish trend is strong, so we probably need to head down to either the 15 to look for some kind of minor support to go up. So if you were comfortable taking this 15-minute support, then please manage your trades accordingly, because you would have hit your 10 easily. But GU is the same thing. This area here on the left at 28.6, it's the next area that GU should see some problems and pause for a bit. So that's where we try to take some minor support of these levels. Yeah, so those that caught it on the 15-minute close, nice catch. So as we approach the 30-minute close on GU, those who are in, just be careful. It looks like it doesn't want to form a top wick, and we are approaching that zone. Same thing for GJ as well. So the pullback might be coming if this 30-minute candle closes without a top wick. Yeah, Ryan, if you didn't leave a runner, just on the next trade, just take note why you didn't leave a runner. Is it because you were afraid of some resistance forming? Start by leaving small runners if that is part of your trading plan. There's nothing wrong with taking everything at 10, as long as you don't feel FOMO when the trade goes without you. If your intention is to leave a bit as a runner, then just do it. Just start small.
Yeah, I'm expecting a pullback.
Yeah,
Should get a pullback soon.
Yeah, because the wicks are getting smaller. Morning.
Man, I was looking at this trade when it was at like 900, 134, 900.
Yeah.
I was looking at it, and then I stepped out for a little bit. My son was like crying and stuff, then I came back and it was just like
it flew. Yeah. But 135 was an area that potentially you might have stopped though.
Yeah, 139, 134, 900, that's where I was looking to like enter.
Yeah.
And then I came back and was just like already flew. So
yeah.
I'm waiting for it to form some kind of support.
Yep. Yep. Still early, it's only Monday. No need to rush into anything.
Yeah. I did something really stupid though.
Oh, what?
On Friday.
Uh-oh.
After we ended our streams, I was like, you know what? I'm in profit for the week. Let me try something. And then I entered a trade and then I lost like from my profits like 2%. But I should have just stopped trading.
Damn. But overall, do you still end the day?
Yeah, I'm still ended up in profit for the week. I just used from my profit. I used 2% risk.
Okay. I mean, that's what you would do, right? Supposed to try pushing it with the profits.
Yeah,
but it's just that the timing wasn't the best.
Exactly. It was the end of like after we closed everything, like after we closed the streams, and that was after London closed everything. Like I was like, I shouldn't be trading, but it is what it is.
Well, now you know. It's a lot slower, right, at that point in time?
Yeah, it was like very slow.
If you look to
getting the pullback now, hopefully.
Yeah. If you look to GJ 1 hour, you will see big wicks. Big wicks and rejection zones between 35 300 and 136. Okay. I think you're talking about this, right, Vero? Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah, once we clear this area, right?
4 hours cleaner.
Yeah. Yeah, but I want to know what I'm coming up against. So this area here, and then the next one will be 135,600. So this is like how big is this?
30 pip.
Yeah. Yeah, it's tradable. Definitely. We just gotta wait for proper support to form. And then we can go up.
I don't know. I've noticed a lot of times where London, you have like a big push up, and then New York corrects that whole push.
Yeah.
I've noticed it a lot, especially with GJ. Like London will have like a whole bullish London session, and then New York just corrects it all.
Yeah. So
I've noticed that a lot.
yeah, so last week you guys were like talking about ICT and stuff like that, right? So I saw one of his videos about like the London kill zone and the New York kill zone. So he said something about where the London lows or the highs are made, then usually New York really just corrects it. So it's exactly what you just said.
Oh yeah, see?
Yeah. But I didn't go and backtest what he said. I just thought it was interesting. I don't really want to include a new strategy into my my edge. Now it's just gonna mess things up. So
since if it's not broke, don't fix it, right?
yes, yeah, it's just interesting to understand. Yeah. Please explain support and resistance for this chart again. Kamal, I explained it I think twice earlier. What you can do is copy the numbers on the right side with the timings, paste them on your chart, and try to see what I'm seeing. I think you might learn a bit more like that. 01. I sold EU and AU. What do you think is gonna happen? Do you mind sending a chart? Cause I don't trade them. Let's see if...
I mean, would you say, I'm looking at it on the 30-minute, right? So I'm looking at it on the 30-minute. I'm seeing GJ, it broke above 135, 300.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
This could be the retest right now.
Yes. Yes, correct. So now I'm cleaning up my zones a little. So the gray box, look at where it is. So right now we want to see 15-minute support form, and then we should be able to take it up. So the reason why I'm willing to take a 15-minute support is because the bullish trend is definitely strong. So we want to capture it.
Just I'm thinking like once this flips bullish, we should just have an entry there with stops below the current 15-minute candle.
So as an impulse without the support forming?
I mean, yeah.
I would wait till the next one forms though. Like if this current candle flips, right, then it's possible, but it's a very aggressive impulse entry. So the next level of impulse entry that's a bit milder is when the next candle forms bullish, breaks above this high, then you go up. That's the second level.
Yeah, see, this is 9 pip stop if we do that with the current 15.
Yeah. 9 to 10, yeah, correct. The only issue I have with this candle, right, is it didn't even try to push up. So if you look into the 1 hour, it's very extended. We can keep ranging in this zone. Let's see. Yeah, I think on the left where this 1 hour wick came to, it's some 1 hour consolidation. That's why I think it paused. Yeah, so
you see, but it closed above the traffic, right?
Yeah, but then it's coming into more traffic. Just less. It's less intense, not like this. You get what I mean? Yeah.
But the 4 hour looks cleaner.
Yeah.
The 4 hour, see, it's closed above that area. It's clean traffic.
Yeah, but if you want to take a 4 hour entry, right, you would at least need to wait.
It has to be stops below the 4 hour.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, you need to leave more space. Should go for if GBP gets stronger. I don't think there's any correlation. Not that I know anyway. No wick on 15 and 30. Yes, that's why I would like to wait. Yeah. So there are different types of entries you guys can take. Impulse entry is definitely not a problem because the bullish trend is strong, but just size accordingly because you all know that it's aggressive. right? So it's all about position sizing and risk management, that's all. You wanna take it? Definitely possible based on the higher time frames.
It's coming.
If you take the 4 hour, yeah. And you'll be aiming for what? 136? Not 135, 600, right?
I'll go to, yeah, like 136.
You don't think this area is an issue? Like 135, 6?
Nah, because that's old, right? It's old. Like I'm looking at the last recent, right? So like the bunch of the clean red going down, right? So it closed above that, right? So it should at least come up to that green, but that first, yep. Or is it this one? Oh, it should come up to here, right? Because that's the.
Yeah, it should if we're just looking at this.
Yeah. Yeah, of course, lower time frames is going to show traffic, right?
Yeah, the only issue I have is price really did stop quite a bit before that. And if we look at this fake out that happened last week, right? No, I think it was the previous week. This fake out here, if we look at the big bullish candle that pushed back up, right, it also was around the area. So I would think that if you were going long into 135, 600, definitely some profits must be secured at this area. Don't just go all the way to 136. Like, secure some at this point.
I'm looking at enter right now since this 15-minute flip.
Yeah, so this would be aggressive impulse entries up with your stops below the 15-minute low. So
Yes,
size
exactly.
accordingly.
Yeah, I'm only going to risk 1%.
Yeah. I'm just calling out for YouTube in case they go nuts on it. Yeah, size accordingly if anybody wants to take this one. Yeah, so some people have targets here. I do see the 136 level as well. Just that 136 might be a bit more. Might need a bit more effort.
Come on, GJ.
Have a look at news.
I still haven't entered.
It's iffy, right? It's iffy. Let's see. Oh, thank God this is. Oh, this will be tonight.
NFP is this week, right?
It's supposed to. I thought it's usually the first Friday of the month, right?
Yeah, this week is like flipped in between, right? So it's like.
Yeah, but it didn't. It doesn't show
so
on
there's
Forex
NFP.
Factory.
So it is NFP, yeah.
Where? The next day?
Friday, right?
Yeah, see, this is Friday, right?
Yeah, non-farm payroll. Yeah, non-farm.
Where?
Non-farm employment.
I thought it's non-farm payroll. Isn't this something else?
Oh.
Or is it the same thing?
Is. Oh, I just said non-farm. All I saw was not. So that's NFP.
Yeah, I don't know whether that's the one, but
maybe next week.
let's have a look. Because this morning, I think Raja also said, "Oh, where's non-farm?" Yeah, he was like, "Where's non-farm?" I think they changed the name. Yeah. So if this 15 closes bearish, is a good thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, NFP should be the first Friday. That's what I thought too. I think they changed the name. Usually it's called non-farm payrolls.
Exactly, non-farm
right?
payroll. Yeah.
This is... What's this? But I guess it should be the same. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Non-farm payrolls, employment change, whatever.
So it's this Friday?
Yes. They just changed the name on the first page. This is the 1 hour chart. Your plan for GJ or GU? This is a GU chart.
GU.
I think he meant GU. This is buy above. Oh, okay. Looks a lot cleaner once you hit above there. Yeah, looks good. Let's have a look at GU. You have it at 28,600. Yeah, I was gonna attempt buys above 28,600 already. But right now, the 1 hour does not want to close above. So let's see. Okay, double bottom indicates bullish. This is the 30-minute chart. Price made a higher high. Wait for support being made, take a buy. Stop loss underweight. What price is this? 22,660. Wasn't this the support? This one here? Yentong? These two. So technically you should be in, right?
So now the 30 minutes almost gonna flip. There it goes, flip.
Do you know where to read pound news outside Forex Factory, especially about their Corona and Brexit things? Usually I just go down to like news at the top here. Yeah, you can just read whatever GBP news they have here. Click on it, it will bring you to like external sites. So you see. Yeah, that's what I usually do. I don't really go and hunt around. Yeah, so like for example this one, you click on it, it will bring you to Reuters, so then you can read more. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm with Ribeiro though. I would want to wait for the 1 hour to close above all this for confirmations. That would be in line with my new support being formed on the 15th as well. Like it should hold, but I don't want to take my first loss right smack in the like first thing, take a loss. That kind of sucks.
I know you have magic keys, but you should definitely look at that trade manager thing that I sent you.
Is it better? Like,
honestly, I feel like it's better.
in what sense?
That it's right on the chart. It's right on your MetaTrader. So like all you do is like you click in your like there's an area where you just click in your risk and you just type in your risk instead of actually having to go to settings and all that stuff on magic keys. This one
right?
you just literally trade manage. So you just put in your risk and then you just automatically it automatically tells you how much you're gonna risk based on your account size. I like it.
Oh, but Magic Keys has that as well. Like it shows
Don't you
the
have
amount.
to like don't you have to go into settings first to change your risk?
Yeah, but wouldn't you do this as well?
No,
Wouldn't
this
you
one
have
is
to do
it's
it?
on. You wouldn't have to do it on this one. This one's like it's on the actual thing.
Oh, okay. I'll check it out later after the stream.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna make my Magic Keys irrelevant. Why you gotta do that? Yeah, you press a button to change risk. Yeah. Can you post a link to the trade manager, Louis? It's if you go to the Discord, right? The link is on the YouTube description. Just head in and then under trading resources, because there's a whole bunch of it there. Yeah. Do you pay for it? It's free, right? AJ?
They give you a 7-day free trial to try it out, and then after that, it's $15 a month or $99 for lifetime access.
Ah.
And they give you up to 10 licenses, so you can open it up to like your laptop, your computer, whatever it is that you want. They give you up to 10 downloads, right?
Okay.
If you want to give it to your brother, sister, husband.
It's a
wife.
one-time payment.
Yeah, one-time payment, 99, and they give you up to 10.
Ooh.
10 licenses.
That's like Forex last time. Yeah. Gavin, if you want to know more about magic keys, I have this link on there's this video on my YouTube channel. Then the link is below. If not, then there's a link on my page as well. On this current video as well. Someone's asking, do you have a license you can sell him?
Yeah, I actually do. I have 8 more I can give out.
You can. Do you want me to give your Discord name? Then they can reach you on it.
Yeah, sure. But the thing is with that, it's I have to give them like my password to my account.
Oh, that's
I gotta know you.
Yeah. Why don't you monetize my videos? I think I did. It's just that I'm not big enough, I think.
Exactly.
Yeah. Magic keys with no keys.
Exactly.
It's magic.
It's like it's actually like on the actual MetaTrader. Like it's on the screen. You can close half, close partials, move stop loss to break even.
Okay, wait, one sec. So now if anyone wants to take an impulse entry, right? It's forming. Yeah. Yes. Wait until it breaks the high. That would be your impulse entry. Stop loss below the low of this candle. Aggressive, yeah. Everybody is aggressive. Size accordingly. Yeah. Are you gonna get this, AJ?
I'm like thinking about it.
Yeah, I'm just letting everyone know first.
I might do like 0.5%.
Yeah, you can put in half first, and then you can still go in half when it closes on the 30. Yeah, I thought you would kick yourself if you missed this. Cause to the wick, once you break the body, or at least the wick, right? That's 4, and then if you look left, yeah, if we look left, it's all wicks, so just be a bit more careful.
Broke the body and the thing, so that should go.
There you go. So impulse entries here, if anyone wants to grab 10. I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I'm in.
Yep. It's going. It's going. 135,600. So if you're in 135,600, please secure some before then.
I did a very small position, like very small.
Yeah, the only thing that worries me is we're coming into this. So on the hour, right? This area here is all chopped. Where's my chart? Yeah, this area here is all chopped. That's why I'm a bit worried. But so my idea is I'm gonna wait for the 30 to close, which means the 15 will have formed and confirmed the new support, right? So then I would just take it all the way to 136. Because that would be how much? Let's see. If it closes above, yeah, that would be a 20 pip stop, man. That's big. 136. Yeah, that would be something I'm looking at. GU arrived to resistance. Ooh, this is not a very good close. It's pinned right to 286. I need it to break. Am I in a trade? No. But I called out an impulse entry if anyone wanted to take it. I don't trade impulse. Candles haven't closed, so I'm not in a trade.
It's not looking good.
Give it time, give it time. It made a higher high and a lower low on this current 15 candle. So I think it should go. It might even pop before the hour closes. Because if we look at the hour, right, it has a wick now for continued move up. So let's just give it time.
If it goes back to my entry, I'll probably
cut half.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah, I think that's exactly how Raja will manage it as well. I was watching his recent webinar. Yeah, it's interesting. No wonder his stop losses are so small. Now we know.
Yeah, closing half at this point.
Yeah. So your stop loss is below this candle, the bearish one. All right.
Yeah. Just the fact that it went bearish made me close half.
Yeah. Broke below the body too.
Yeah. So I might add another position if it goes up again.
Yeah, but I think on the are you waiting for the close for the add-on?
Yeah, probably. But if it goes up before then, it does.
Is Raquel and Raja the same person? Yes. Any chance it will drop? I'm holding sell from 133.5. Oh. Sell from 133.5? Holy Samuel, you're in so much drawdown. Oh shit. Samuel, the daily was really bullish. I don't think sells are a good idea. Ouch. How long have I been trading Forex in live account? Oh, I've been live for like a few years. How long you trade in demo account? Honestly, you can't use me as a benchmark because everyone has a different learning curve. Once you see at least like a month or two consistent returns, not like unrealistic returns like 20-30%. Yeah, once you're consistent at least 2 to 3 months, I think you can try out a live account. Yeah, Samuel. Yeah, you might need to manage your trade, Samuel. Shit, man, that must have been... Wow, that's really painful. How do you sell it at 133.5? Where is that? Oh shit. Stop loss is at 136. Oh wow. Okay. Did you take it off the daily or something? You sum up why Raja's stop loss is so small. He's very quick to cut profit. So if he entered as an impulse entry, once price broke above the high, right? He usually would close off half the trade when it comes back to his break even. Have I tried FTMO? No. Oh shoots, my chart disappeared. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour's closing nicely. Do I trade NAS 100? No. I only trade currencies, I don't trade indices. And it's only I only trade GJGU and EJ. Yeah. Do you recommend funded accounts? I would say if you want to go to a funded account, don't go in for the biggest account first. Just go in, start small, and then start stacking after that. Nah, Samuel, it's not about the amount, it's about the direction of the trade. Sometimes you really got to just cut the loss. It's not about the amount. Because this whole trend on GJ is just bullish, man. I know you're trying to aim for this area here, but you're gonna be in so much pain before it comes down. Yeah. You still recommend holding the buys? If you look at the 1 hour, it's closing above this zone of consolidation there. So yes, I'm looking for this candle to close bullish, and I will probably get in as well if it closes nice. Do you think it's a good idea to add position at the open of the next candle? I will wait, Brian, for a bit. So I'll let it pull back down a bit, probably do a little wick, and then I'll take the entry. I won't enter immediately on the close. Why do I only trade those pairs? Because I understand them and they have volume. Critical moment if 1 hour closes above or below 135 300. Yeah, so I'm gonna just put a line here so everyone can see it. Yeah, hour closed above, so that's good. So 30 minutes forming support, 15. Ooh, this is tough. The wick fill, for those grabbing about 10 pips, you have about an 8 pip wick fill, which should fail going up, but just size accordingly. 1 hour close bullish above 135,300, and we have this wick for continued movement up, so it looks good to head up. Yeah, so this 15 was it wasn't the best close if you ask me, so I only entered half because I'm waiting for this 30 to close as well. So I'm only in half. When it pushed above this 15-minute resistance. Yeah, John, a wick down wouldn't be bad. The 1 hour resistance is also a 4 hour resistance, which is scary because without a higher time frame support form, the 4 hour can wick down easily too. Yes, I do see that. That's why I only halved my entry. Plus, if we look at where that 4 hour candle closed, right? The previous one closed right at that resistance at 135.3. So yeah, I see it. So for this trade, I'm going to be managing it slightly different. I'm going to be taking 80% off at 135.6. Then I'm going to leave the rest to 136. So, yeah. Meshat, I think I narrated the whole trade, so hopefully you're in this. If not, then the trade is on the screen. Pricing is all here. If you understand it, you can take it. I called out everything from stop loss to take profit. Alright, I'm 80% out. And my stop loss is at break even. Yeah, so where was it? Ruri. If I look at the 4 hour, right? So 136 is this area here. And it's clean all the way up there. That's why I'm aiming for that.
And just like that, made my losses back from Friday.
Nice one. Yeah, I took 80 off.
I took 50%.
Yeah.
I'm trying to leave bigger runners.
Oh, where are the horns?
Where are the horns? I got 2 positions. I scaled in again once it broke the high.
Yeah, nice. So you cut it and then you went back in again, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that was like the best. It was the best risk management, really, because you don't want to be in too much of a drawdown because you knew that the entry wasn't a solid entry.
It was risky. Yeah.
Correct. So you could always re-enter again.
Yeah, I'm looking at it now. It's like forming some kind of resistance right now. It's looking like it's not wanting to go up, so I'm probably gonna close another 50%.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now I'll just leave a runner.
I want to ask, why you not wait until candle close bullish or break the previous high candle? Puro, I waited for this one here. So this 15-minute support closed bullish with bullish support, right? So it did close. And then I entered when it broke above this minor resistance on the 15. Or are you asking about the 30-minute?
The energy just crazy.
I think you're asking why I didn't wait for the wick, I think, Puro. Yeah, but to me, because the bullish trend is strong, so for me, breaking above this minor resistance on the 15-minute was strong enough to push higher. Plus the 1 hour also closed well above this.
Yeah, this is crazy. How many hours has it been bullish?
Since London Open, right?
That's crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hours. 6 hours.
Yeah, 6.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I reached 600 already, right? So
yeah,
I should keep going.
Yep.
There's nothing stopping it really now to keep going. I honestly closed all my positions. I got 20 something pips off of that. It was good. Yeah. I'm done.
Yeah. I think I am going to tighten my stop loss now. Because if we look left, right?
You can probably put a stop profit.
Yeah. Because if we look left, all these wicks are stopping around 550. So I'm just going to put my stop loss at 550.
Okay.
Yeah. Because the candle already
that's in
pushed.
profit. That's in profit, right?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah, in profit.
I'm not going to give it back, man.
Right?
Yeah. So my stop loss now is at 135, 550. Below this 4 hour support. And below all the wicks on the left. I need to find them horns. I think the horns will come. Let's make a bet. I think Raja's in this.
Oh hell yeah, he's in this.
He's 100% in this.
let me see the Slack group.
He was already waiting for this since Asia.
Since the Asian session, yeah. Because it did open up with a gap, right? So it opened up, it gapped up, price gapped up, and then it came down.
Yep. So it was.
And then continued bullish.
Yeah. GJ always. So GJ was definitely bullish today.
Yeah. Would you consider this a trend change now?
Trend change from last week, yes. Yeah.
Right, because it's been bearish for 2 weeks now.
Yeah, because remember last week I was saying if GJ breaks above 134,600, then yes, we are going back up. Sadly.
Yeah, 600 was a key point for for the longest.
Yep. looking for a retest around 135.3. I think so Alex Men, I have a zone here, 135.600. If we look left on the 1 hour and so this is the area now that GJ broke, right? So it was a wicks on the left. So I think it will come and retest this area. 300 is a bit deep. Please, can you give me feedback on marking charts? Yep, sure. Send your chart. Where is Raja today? He is not due to start work yet. He's probably awake already. He's just
GJ,
chilling
oh
first.
my god. It's like a rocket.
Yeah. Okay, but as we approach the 15-minute close, it's starting to not have a wick. So please be careful, guys. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm not in this trade anymore.
Yeah.
And I'm happy with what I made.
Yeah.
So I don't care if this rockets up like another 5,000 pips. I don't care.
Yeah. Did you hit it with 2%?
No. I hit it when I first started because it was a risky trade. I did a 0.50, like a 0.5%. So then, but when I scaled in again, I did a 1%. So on
1.
all, I did like a 1.25%.
Ah, okay. But that's still more than your normal one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, made a quick $150.
Yep. Nice. This was a almost pain-free trade, man.
Yeah, and I'm looking at it now, like on the 30-minute, like literally that 30-minute was the only entry that we were looking at.
Yep.
It was literally the only like entry because it was like for the past like since Asian session, right? Since 1 o'clock Eastern Standard, right? It was that last 30-minute was the previous 30-minute was the only 30-minute candle that gave you a bearish momentum, and then that just continued going up.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I was in from 134.80. Did not expect this trend, especially on a Monday.
No, I've noticed Mondays do move. Like last week Monday, remember that last week Monday, that big ass drop?
Yes, 109.
Oh my god. I was like, I'm not missing anything on Mondays anymore.
Yeah, don't underestimate GJ. So don't call bottoms, don't call tops on GJ, man. You just smack all of that aside and like, look down on me. I'm going to go further up. Pew! I'm just trying to see where we're gonna come into issues next. Charts are getting a bit messy on the left. Yep.
It should be now.
Yep. On the 4 hour, it's really around 136. But on the
1 hour.
1 hour, it's like soon.
Like now, yeah.
Yeah, it's soon. Because if we look left on the 1 hour, this area here was the most recent resistance. Ooh, someone donated in my first donation.
Wow. You make the money that you're gonna donate.
MIQ Vision, thank you very much. I was testing the stickers.
Are you gonna do what Roger does and match every donation?
Oh man, not yet. Soon.
You have to match every donation.
When I hit, let's see, what's my subscribe account now? I don't even know. Yeah, wow, it's closing above that 1 hour. That 1 hour support on the left. Oh, 136, here we come.
20 pips.
Yeah.
136 is 20 pips, right?
Yeah. So now, looking at, okay, so this 15 just closed without a top wick, right? So I'm gonna shift my stop loss. Oh shit. I'm gonna shift it below this zone. So now it's sitting at 135,700. 135,700.
So you got a 10 pip stop.
No, more than that, I think.
Yeah, 700. It's at 800 right now, right?
Oh, this is how much? For me, this is a positive 30 pip stop.
Oh, no. I'm saying like you're giving it right now. You're giving it 10 pips.
Yeah, I'm giving like space for GJ to continue. Yeah. So yeah, those who are out, it's okay. Just Please don't give it back later. Just keep.
No,
Yeah.
I'm done. I'm done.
Man. Keep
I
your
learned my
profits.
lesson. I learned my lessons. Like I used to be FOMO when I see this. Like,
yeah.
I need to get in and again and again and again. Now I'm done. I made my money for the day. I made 1.25%.
Yeah, man.
I'm done.
Yeah, Zafar, nice catch on GU. If I were you, since it pushed and then it's clean on the left, right? I don't know how you're managing your trade. Use your zones to protect your profits. Yeah. If I were you, I would be at least below this yellow zone. Below 128,700 right now, because it already pushed. So always be protecting your profits.
Yeah, even the 4 hour didn't really have a small wick bottom.
The 4 hour. Yeah, but the 4 hours technically still forming, right?
No, I'm talking about like the bottom wick. It didn't really give you a bottom wick, right? A small baby wick.
This one here?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, because it wanted
like
to continue moving
I ideally
up.
wanted this to come down a little bit. The new 4 hour, I wanted it to come down at least to like 134,750 area, and then make support there.
Yeah.
And then continue going up, but it didn't do that.
So. I think it would have tried to find support at 135 though, which it tried. See. 34,700 looks a bit low, no? That was deep, man.
I'm looking at the 4 hour.
Yeah. 34,700, right? I think
134,750, 800.
Yeah, that would have, because it would then have to break back down below 135. So because it's a whole number, technically we don't want it to come back in. Yeah, so I would think support should form around 135, not below. If it forms below, then it would be a fake up to come back down, and that would be a real beep. So is there more upside for those who didn't catch it?
Honestly, I don't know.
Yeah, Ace.
We don't know.
Yeah, I don't call tops on GJ especially, but so right now, right? If we look at the lower time frame on the hour, okay, let's not look at the hour. It's too early. So
I expect a retracement come New York for sure.
Yeah.
100%. Need to have a retracement.
Yeah. So this area, this zone, this gray box that I have, right? GJ should come back and test it, and then go back up to this 4 hour level at 136. So just wait for some kind of minor support formed on the 15, because this is definitely a strong bullish trend.
Did something come out? Any news come out? Positivity that they got out of lockdown or something?
No, man. No, lockdown would fly down.
Yeah, right. That's what I'm saying. So did they get out of lockdown or something? Did they move the
Did they change their mind again?
Right.
Oh, look.
Positive sentiment.
What's this? This wasn't 20 minutes ago, right?
What does it say?
When you have negative, you're bound to explore more. Isn't negative interest rates bad for the pound?
Yeah,
oh man, this guy looks like the guy from Men in Black. One of the aliens. Oh, shit. Jeeves, I think. Oh shit.
See, I'm looking at like 1 minute price action, and then like the candles are slowing down a lot.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Definitely, whoever's in this, like, make sure you're secure.
Yeah. Yeah, the 15 closed without a wick, so just be careful. That's why I tightened up my stop loss further in profit. So there's nothing wrong with keeping your profits, guys. Just keep it first. Let's see. Oh, so many. Did I miss something? Would we see this as a break and retest on the daily? Oh, I don't.
Oh man, look at that daily candle.
Yeah, this is a bit too far. Yeah, but now as well, I would look at GJ to fill the daily wick. So 136, 130, right? The daily wick.
That's a good that's a good 40 pips.
Yeah, but I'm just gonna get out at 136. I'm not gonna play with GJ, man. It might just come back down.
Yeah, so I guess there's no more stream after Raja today, since we're done.
Yeah, see, people are being conservative. That's good. Yeah, I see. Oh, it's gonna tap my stop loss.
Shit, I'll just close it. If it's gonna tap your stop, just close it yourself.
Let me see. What does it's fine. Like plus minus 1 or 2, right? So
Yeah.
yeah. I would like
That's
to
a lot.
know.
If you have like a 10 lot, that's 200.
That's true. I don't have a 10.
I mean,
Yeah. But
we
nah.
don't know what.
But to me it's more about like trusting the stop loss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Raja's on in 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would like to know what effect does whole numbers have on trade. Usually when price hits whole numbers. So if you look at my zones, right? Osai, they are all at whole numbers because I have seen, through my years of trading, that price will tend to do a minor pause around those areas. So as we approach those whole numbers, I'm more careful.
Yeah. One of the main reasons why whole numbers are respected is if you think about it, like the big banks
Yeah.
and the hedge funds and all these people that are trading with big capitals, right?
Yeah.
They don't want to enter a trade at 135, 740, 43, right? So they enter whole numbers. So institutional levels are 0, 0, 20, 50, and 80, right? So those are the four numbers that institutions like to enter on. So yeah.
Yeah, you just do some backtesting on the charts, right? Just plot these numbers. You'll see that price usually pauses around that area, so it will chop. Yeah, Raja will be on at 6:30 Eastern, so just let me know when he's on, and then we'll shift.
Yep. Yeah, he's not online. I want to be a stalker today. I know he was online for 10 minutes ago.
Maybe he's just washing up and chilling. Should I quit the trade? 01, I need to see your chart. I don't know where you entered. So like for me, this is my stop loss. It's below the zone. I am expecting the zone to hold. That's why I did not close it. Oh wow, look at the 30. Hey, where is it? Look at this 15. Oh, wick. And then it nearly touched me.
Did the spread get you or no?
No, it did. Oh, yes, it did. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm out, everyone. So that's why I secured and tightened below the zone. Yes, I am out. So please don't give back profits during the New York session, please, everyone.
Okay, so somebody on the group said Brexit talks enter their final rounds of scheduled discussions this week with time and trust running out. So, I don't know what that is. 135.
So I think just now is, now it looks like there's a bit more upside for you, because then we would try to form some kind of support at this grey box. I will be waiting. Yeah, this is that 1 hour support. Anyone in here came from Indonesia? I think there were some guys from Brunei previously, but I don't think they're on the Zoom now.
Well, I'm gonna go washing up until Raja comes.
Yeah.
See you at Raja's stream.
See you.
See ya.
COVID is getting worse, but yeah, everything is open. Yeah. Please take care. friends in the UK. So I'm already out of this trade. So for anyone that didn't get in, right, just wait, because the bullish trend is strong, and on the left of the 4 hour we have a bit more to go, about 18 to 20 pips more. So for those that take 10 pips, right, should be a good enough range for you to trade conservatively, please. Conservatively, because we are nearing the end of the 4 hour move, so please size accordingly. But if new resistance forms, new support forms around this gray zone, yeah, so you guys want to draw it up, it's around 135,750. It should be able to bounce for that last area here. Okay. What is happening on gold? Let's have a quick look. Ooh, bounced off 1851. So EJ also made the same move, coming to some kind of resistance over here at 122,880. So 1 hour zone. So those in EJ long, please manage your trades as well. GU, so someone, Sahar, I think, it's coming towards 129, 30, 1 hour candle, and the 30 is starting to form with our wicks, so just be careful, yeah. Was late though, I made something good. I'm glad I caught the whole move. Nice. So the aim is not to give back profits on the Monday. Let's just chill for Raja's session since we already ate. Nice. Waited for candles to print my way. Nice. Second wave, I would be really cautious above here. This area here. If the 15-minute forms, just grab your 10 and go. Because we are aiming for this new resistance on the top here. So this is a, how much is it? It's about a 12 pip move, so please. If you already got your profits, just stay out of it. For those that haven't, this is going to be a risky entry, so please size accordingly. But if we look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour, right, it looks clean to at least go to that area. And 136. Okay. Monday green. Alright guys, Raja's on, so I'll see you guys later for the second part. Alright, see you everybody. Yeah, don't underestimate GJ, that's the thing. But just trade safe. See you guys.